mate.
Got him.
You got him. Oh no, that's bad.
It's in his throat, look, you can see it. Poor fucker.
No, don't pull it too quickly, man.
He's gonna die anyway. Sort of. I'll let him out now and do a fire.
No, get it out of there. That's fucked up. It was funny before, man. Yeah, free him, Andrew, free him.
He could cut the line, he'll go.
Grab him, Aaron.
I'm not fucking touching it, man. Where is it? His wing?
Nah.
Yeah, it's in his wing.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, at
he's
least he'll
alright.
live then.
I gotta grab him by the head, mate. Otherwise
Yeah,
he'll
he'll
bite.
bite. Just grab him like a yabby. You want to pat him.
You want to pat the fucking sea rat.
He's alright if this one will live.
Yeah, he's pretty tame. They're pretty soft.
Bird?
There we go.
Let him go, see what he does.
Yeah, he'll do the bolt.
Get a photo, man.
Yeah, go out, go in the garden and do it.
Steve Irwin, eat your heart out, eh?
Ready?
Yeah.
The release.
He lives to see another day.
He's alright.